Do you have some extra money?
How much do you want?
$11.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot. Can I borrow some money? I'm so broke.
How much do you need?
$60.
Here you go.
Thank you. I will pay you back soon. Could you lend me some money?
I'm afraid I can't.
That's all right. Can I borrow $10?
Sure. Why do you need it?
I want to buy lunch.
Where's your money?
It's not in my wallet.
Your wallet is empty?
I don't have even $1 in it.
Being broke is no fun.
Even if it's only for a short while.
It's always good to have friends.
Friends will lend you money when you're broke.
As long as you pay them back. Good morning, Peter. Do you have pencil and colored paper I can borrow?
Of course. Jennifer, may I borrow your stapler?
Sure. I can lend you my stapler, but please return it. It's my favorite stapler.
You can trust me. Thank you, Jennifer.
Don't mention it.
Jennifer, can I borrow your scissors?
Yes, I can lend them to you, but you must return them. These scissors, they are the sharpest scissors in the office.
I will be very careful. Thank you. What can I do for you?
I would like to find this book.
What's the problem?
It doesn't seem like this library has it.
Have you checked the computer?
I have already.
What did it say?
It says the book is on the shelf, but I didn't find it there.
I can always borrow the book from another library.
You can do that?
I'll let you know when I get the book in.
That's fantastic. Thank you.
Do you have the notes from last week's class?
Did you come late?
I couldn't make it.
Why is that?
I wasn't feeling well.
Well, here are the notes.
Are these all of them?
Oh, wait, here are the rest.
Thanks a bunch.
It's no problem at all.